guys! Welcome back to Cup of Teach. And this time, we're going to discuss the graph of quadratic function. The graph of quadratic function is a smooth curve called parabola. If the parabola opens upward, the vertex is the minimum point. That is the vertex. And then, kung nasa ng vertex, doon tayo magdodraw ng axis of symmetry. What is axis of symmetry? It is a vertical line that divides the parabola into two equal parts. If the parabola opens downward, the vertex is the maximum point. Then, kung nasa ng vertex, doon din tayo magdodraw ng axis of symmetry. Again, axis of symmetry divide the parabola into two equal parts. How to draw the graph of quadratic function? Let's have here an example. Y is equal to the quantity of x plus 4 quantity squared minus 2. Ang given, naka-standard form or vertex form. So, kapag naka-vertex form, ang vertex natin, h, k. Axis of symmetry, x is equal to h. So, let us apply this in the given function. Vertex, negative 4, negative 2. So, ang h natin dito ay positive 4. Pagdating sa vertex, it will change. So, magbabago siya. Magiging negative 4. Pero yung k natin, copy lang. Carry the sign. Axis of symmetry, x is equal to negative 4. Kasi ang h natin dito is negative 4. So, since meron na tayong vertex, meron na tayong axis of symmetry, pwede na tayong mag-graph. Let us plot first the vertex, negative 4, negative 2. So, hanapin si negative 4, going kay negative 2. So, this is now the vertex. Then, kung nasa ng vertex, nandun ang axis of symmetry. So, after that, kuha tayo ng isang number sa left side or isang number sa right side. So, kahit ilang number, pwede. Depende sa inyo. So, I'm going to use negative 5 and negative 3. Then, let us use the original equation. Y is equal to the quantity of x plus 4 quantity squared minus 2. Substitution. So, ang x natin, papalitan na natin ng negative 5. So, you just copy 4, copy squared, copy minus 2. Then, simplify yung nasa loob. Negative 5 plus 4, that is negative 1. Then, copy squared, copy minus 2. Negative 1 squared, that is negative 1 times negative 1. So, the answer is 1 minus 2. Let us subtract. Y is equal to negative 1. This is now the first ordered pair, negative 5, negative 1. Let us plot. Hanapin muna natin ang negative 5 going kay negative 1. So, nandito siya. Next, let's go to negative 3. Original equation, y is equal to the quantity of x plus 4 quantity squared minus 2. Substitution. So, ang x natin, papalitan natin ng negative 3. Plus 4, then squared, minus 2. Then, simplify natin nasa loob, negative 3 plus 4, that is positive 1. Then, squared, minus 2. 1 squared, that is 1 times 1. The answer is 1. Just copy minus 2, then subtract natin. Y is equal to negative 1. This is now the second ordered pair, negative 3 and negative 1. So, that is negative 3, negative 1. So, hanapin muna natin ang negative 3 going kay negative 1. Then, after that, connect. So, mapapansin nyo, axis of symmetry divides the parabola into two equal parts. So, this is now the graph of y is equal to the quantity of x plus 4 quantity squared minus 2. Let's go to number 2. 5 is equal to the quantity of x minus 1 quantity squared minus y. So, kung titingnan mo ang given na function, pwede natin siyang i-arrange into vertex form. Lilipat lang natin ang 5 sa right side at yung y sa left side. So, magpapalit lang sila ng position para maging positive ang y natin. So, y is equal to the quantity of x minus 1 quantity squared minus 5. So, mapapansin nyo, yung y natin paglipat, nag-positive. Yung 5 natin paglipat sa right side, naging negative 5. So, eto na ngayon yung vertex form or yung standard form. So, palaging tandaan, kapag naka-vertex form tayo, mas mabilis hanapin ang vertex kasi h, k lang. Axis of symmetry, x is equal to h. So, apply natin siya sa given na function. Ang vertex natin, positive 1, negative 5. Okay, palaging tandaan, ang h natin, nagbabago ng sign. Pero ang k natin, kinakopy lang natin. Axis of symmetry, x is equal to 1. So, meron na tayong vertex, meron na tayong axis of symmetry, pwede na tayong mag-graph. Plot natin, positive 1 and negative 5. So, positive 1, papunta kay negative 5. So, nandito siya. Then, kung nasa ng vertex, nandun ang axis of symmetry. Then, kuha tayo ng isang number sa left side o kaya number sa right side. So, kukuha lang ako ng number na nasa left side, that is negative 1. At 0 sa left side pa rin. So, pwede tayong kumuha kahit saang side. Then, let us use yung function y is equal to the quantity of x minus 1 quantity squared minus 5. Then, substitution tayo. Y is equal to yung x, pinalitan na ng negative 1. Minus 1, kinopy lang natin. Copy yung squared, copy minus 5. Simplify yung nasa loob. That is negative 2 squared minus 5. Simplify natin ang negative 2 squared. That is positive 4. Paano naging positive 4? Kasi negative 2 squared, that is negative 2 times negative 2. Kaya positive 4. Minus 5. Then subtract natin. That is negative 1. So, meron na tayong first ordered pair. Negative 1 at yung negative 1. So, that is negative 1, negative 1. Plot natin. So, negative kay x-axis, negative pa rin kay y-axis. So, nandito siya. Then, let's go to 0. Original function, y is equal to the quantity of x minus 1 quantity squared minus 5. Substitution, x natin, palitan ng 0. Copy minus 1, copy squared, copy minus 5. Simplify natin nasa loob. That is negative 1 squared minus 5. Then negative 1 squared, that is negative 1 times negative 1. Kaya ang sagot ay 1. Minus 5, subtract na natin to. Y is equal to negative 4. So, ito yung pangalawang ordered pair natin. 0 and negative 4. So, that is 0, negative 4. So, hanapin mo na ang 0. Ito ang 0. Papunta kay negative 4. So, kung meron dito sa kabila, automatic, sa right side, may ka-pair din siya. So, meron din tayo ditong dot at meron din tayo ditong dot. So, tandaan, ang axis of symmetry, dinivide ang parabola into two equal parts. Kaya, ang pair niya, nandito din sa kabila. So, kung meron tayo dito, meron din dito. So, pwede na tayong mag-connect. So, that is the graph of y is equal to the quantity of x minus 1 quantity squared minus 5. Number 3. Y is equal to negative x squared minus 4x plus 3. So, ang given na function hindi naka-vertex form, pero naka-general form. So, kapag naka-general form ka, ang gagamitin nating vertex ay iba kay vertex form. So, h is equal to negative b over 2a. Ang k natin, f of h. Axis of symmetry, x is equal to h. So, ito na ang gagamitin natin. So, kailangan nating mahanap ang value ni a at ni value ni b. So, sa given na function, what is the value of a? Negative 1. The value of b is negative 4. So, pwede na tayong mag-solve ng h. Substitution lang tayo. H is equal to negative. I-copy natin yan. Huwag niyong kakalimutan. Ang b natin ay negative 4. So, lagay dito negative 4. Kailangan natin gumamit ng open and close parenthesis para hindi masama sa negative sa labas. Then, 2 copy si a, negative 1. Then, multiply natin ang negative kay negative 4, positive 4. Then, 2 times negative 1, that is negative 2. So, pwede na tayo mag-divide. H is equal to negative 2. Ang H natin at ang X natin, pareho lang. So, ang H natin is negative 2, therefore, ang X natin ay negative 2 din. So, let us use yung original function. Then, substitution tayo. Gamitin natin ang H, that is negative 2. So, X natin is negative 2. So, negative, copy lang. Si X, pinalitan na ng negative 2. Squared minus 4, si X, negative 2 na. Plus 3. Then, simplify muna natin yung nasa loob. Y is equal to negative 2 squared, that is positive 4. So, paano naging positive 4? Negative 2 times negative 2, that is positive 4. Then, negative 4 times negative 2, positive 8. Plus 3. Then, multiply natin. Negative times positive 4, that is negative 4. Plus 8 plus 3. So, kinapi lang natin yon. Then, negative 4 plus 3, that is positive 4. Plus 3. Then, add natin. Y is equal to 7. So, pwede na tayong kumuha ng vertex. So, tandaan, ang Y natin at ang K natin, pareho lang. So, vertex natin, negative 2, 7. Axis of symmetry, X is equal to negative 2. So, meron na tayong vertex, may axis of symmetry pa, pwede na tayong mag-graph. Plot muna natin ang vertex, that is negative 2, papunta kay 7. So, nandito ang point or yung dot. And then, kung nasan ang vertex, nandun din ang axis of symmetry. So, pwede tayong kumuha kahit anong number sa left side or sa right side. So, kunin ko, negative 1. So, kukuha lang ako ng isa, negative 1. So, let us use yung original function. Then, substitution. Y is equal to negative, copy lang, x squared. So, yung x papalitan na natin ng negative 1, copy lang squared. Then, minus 4. Yung x natin, palitan ng negative 1. Plus 3. Then, simplify muna natin yung nasa loob. That is y is equal to negative. Kinapi lang. Negative 1 squared, that is negative 1 times negative 1. The answer is 1. Negative 4 times negative 1, that is positive 4. Copy lang yung plus 3. Then, simplify muna natin to. So, negative 1 plus 4 plus 3. Negative 1 plus 4, that is 3. Then, plus 3. Then, add na natin, y is equal to 6. So, meron na tayong isang ordered pair. Negative 1 at positive 6. So, that is negative 1, 6. Hanapin natin. So, si negative 1, andito siya, papunta kay 6. So, sabi nga natin, ang axis of symmetry, dinivide yung parabola into two equal parts. So, kung meron siya dito, automatic sa kabilang side, meron din. So, kung meron na dyan, pwede na nating i-connect. So, that is the graph of y is equal to negative x squared minus 4x plus 3. Let's go to number 4. Y plus 4x squared is equal to 8x minus 3. So, kung titingnan ang given function, naka-general form. Ililipat lang natin ang 4x squared. Iaayos lang natin. So, paglipat ni 4x squared, magne-negative. Mag-change siya ng sign. So, y is equal to negative 4x squared plus 8x minus 3. So, kinapi lang natin itong dalawa. Nilipat lang natin ang 4x squared. So, yung function natin, naka-ayos na. Naka-general form na siya. So, palaging tandaan, pag general form ang given, ang vertex natin, h is equal to negative b over 2a. Ang k natin, f of h. Axis of symmetry, x is equal to h. Then, kailangan lang nating hanapin ang value ni a at ni b. So, sa given na function, what is the value of a? Negative 4. How about yung b? Positive 8. So, pwede na tayong gumamit ng h. Then, substitution. So, negative, kinapi lang natin yan. Si b, pinalitan natin ng 8. Huwag kakalimutan ang open and close parenthesis. then 2, copy lang. Si A, that is negative 4. Then simplify natin, negative times 8, that is negative 8. 2 times negative 4, that is negative 8. So pag nag-divide tayo ng dalawang negative, automatic, the answer is positive. Kaya ang sagot ay positive 1. So ang h natin, positive 1. Therefore, ang x natin ay positive 1 din. Then gamit tayo ng original function ulit. Ito siya. So papalitan na natin lahat ng x ng value ng x or ng h ng 1. So y is equal to, copy lang natin ang negative 4. Ang 1 natin, yung x natin. Then, copy lang yung squared, copy yung plus 8. X natin, ginawa na natin 1. Minus 3. Then, simplify muna natin yung nasa loob. Y is equal to negative 4, copy lang. 1 squared, that is 1. 8 times 1, that is 8. Copy, minus 3. Then, multiply natin itong dalawa. Y is equal to negative 4 plus 8 minus 3. Then negative 4 plus 8, that is positive 4, minus 3. Then, pwede na tayo mag-subtract. Y is equal to 1. So, meron na tayong y, meron na din tayong k. Pareho lang sila. Therefore, ang vertex natin ay 1, 1. Axis of symmetry, x is equal to 1. So, meron na tayong vertex, may axis of symmetry, pwede na tayo mag-graph. Let us plot the vertex 1, 1. So, andito ang 1, papunta kay 1. So, nandito ang point or yung dot. Then, kung nasan si vertex, nandun din si axis of symmetry. So, pwede tayong kumuha kung saan nyo gusto, sa left or sa right side. So, kukuha ako ng 0. Yung nasa left side. Then, gamitin natin ang original function. Y is equal to negative 4x squared plus 8x minus 3. Substitution. So, lahat ng x, papalitan na natin ng 0. Y is equal to negative 4. Si x, palitan ng 0. Don't forget yung squared. Plus 8. Then, si x, palitan ng 0. Minus 3. Then, simplify natin to. That is 0. Then, ito multiply, 0 pa rin. Copy yung minus 3. Then, 0 plus 0 minus 3, y is equal to negative 3. So, ito yung ordered pair. 0 at yung negative 3. So, that is 0, negative 3. I-plot na natin. So, ito si 0, papunta kay negative 3. So, nandito siya. So, automatic, kung meron sa left side, may ka-pair sa kabila na dito din. Then, pwede na tayong mag-connect. So, that is the graph of y is equal to negative 4x squared plus 8x minus 3.
Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. If you learned something here, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cup of Teach. See you on the next lesson. Bye!